Yo everyone, it's me again. Alright, so in the previous video that I did with enabling all of the plugins and stuff, as you guys saw, the project did actually open up. But now I do want to show you guys what happens if the template basically tells you to build the game from source. So this is basically what we are gonna do now. So what you're gonna do, I will leave a link down in the description to this again. You are gonna need to install Microsoft Visual Code or Visual Studio. Then you just go to the website and okay, I'm not gonna install it now. But in any case, then you just go to download, as you guys can see, and it will ask you for what Windows. Okay, I'm not gonna give any support on this, but I will on Windows. Then you just install it, and as soon as it's opened up, then you are basically gonna see this. Sorry about that. So obviously you guys are basically gonna see this. Let's just wait for it to open up quickly. Alright, so make sure you got desktop development with C++ and game development with C++, and then just install it here. Okay, as soon as that's done, then you can close this, you can close that. Okay, then go to Zombie Shooter Project, a v2.8.0 project, and generate Visual Studio project files. And then just wait for it to finish. Okay, let's see what happens. As you guys can see, discovering modules, targets, and source code for a project. Again, if you guys have any questions, you again join the Discord, comment down below in the video. I will try and help out as far as I can. So as soon as this is done, then it should close. Just close. Just check that there's no errors, but there shouldn't be any. But let's see what happens. Okay, there we go. So like I said, it will just close down. Then there's no issues. If it fails, then you're gonna need to see why it failed. So if you already have a project that you already made something, or I can't really give a guarantee because obviously you may change this, but on the base project I can help, on a brand new fresh project. Alright, then you will see it made this zombie shooter v2.8.0, which is the Visual Studio stuff. So then you just open it up. Okay, let's wait for it to open. Alright, as soon as it's open up, you don't need to do anything. Just wait for this to load, because this needs to go through the whole project and um, check everything. So as soon as you see this, here's the game, obviously. Alright, I'm just waiting for it to load. Sorry about this. Obviously, it's a big project that it needs to go through. Alright, so basically as soon as it's loaded, then just go to build and build solution. Then you will see it says build started. There shouldn't be any issues or anything because this is the second time that I'm building it now. So it might say it's already built, or it might go through with the build. But as okay, it kind of went fast. So as you guys can see, build 1 succeeded. Build completed and took 13 seconds because like I said, I did build it from solution just to test it out. And as soon as this is done, you can close Visual Studio and you can just open up the project as normal. Then it should open up. It shouldn't give you any issues or any errors or anything. If it does, please let me know, or let us know in the Discord or whatever the case might be, so we can try and figure out what the issue is. So I'm just waiting for the project to open up so I can show you that it does actually open up. Okay, so obviously it's going through the code again, it's just rebuilding it, you know. So yes, let's just give it a chance. As soon as we see the project opening up, then you know the project's good and it won't give you any issues. So let's wait. There we go. As easy as that. So as soon as you see this with no errors or anything, then you know everything's good. So yes, if you have any questions, remember leave it down in the comments. Or yes. Alright, but that's it. Then I'll see you guys in the next one.